The Bank Transactions Report provides a list of outstanding and unreconciled transactions. This report can be printed from the Reports menu in Bank Transactions. Typically, this report is printed with a report date later than the most recent reconciliation date, because bank balances will be calculated as of this date and future dated transactions are excluded. If you choose an older date, this will be indicated on the report. More often, the report date will either be today or the date of your most recent bank statement. Choose one or more banks to print. Each one will be printed in succession on the report. For each bank, the last statement date and balance will print at the top, along with the calculation report date. For the detailed version of the report, all outstanding transactions will be listed. If you are in the middle of a bank reconciliation where transactions have been marked with reconciled statuses that have not yet been posted, these pending statuses are used for the purpose of this report, and you need to select these additional statuses in order for them to print. All details can be sorted either by the transaction date or the bank reference, and an additional bank summary may be printed at the bottom of the report to print summary total values for each transaction type of receipts, payments, and bank transfers, and other totals for outstanding and other reconciliation pending statuses. The summary version of this report simply prints one line for each bank, printing the last statement and calculated current balances and the net value of deposits and payments. There is an additional report that can also be printed from the Reports menu and Historical Transactions. The purpose of this report is to list a group of previously reconciled transactions within a selected date range for one or more banks and of desired reconciliation statuses. Similar to the Bank Transactions Report, there is a detailed version of this history report to list the transactions sorted either by date or by bank reference, and an optional bank summary section that prints transaction type and reconciliation status subtotals. Or there is a summary version which simply shows the net deposits and payments within the date range for each bank. Use the Bank Transactions Report to list your outstanding payments and receipts. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.